Hi, good morning everyone. This is Labyans. Today I'm going to Bandrola, so I am going to get visit to you. It is a water park over there, and I also need to change my costume because they will not allow in this race. So I have already taken my dress, and so let's explore with me. It is going to my breakfast of the day. Before leaving of the day, you can see that it's time 6:35, or it is a banana and egg burji, paneer burji with tea. So let me finish it first. So we are inside the bus. We all are safe. You can have a look of bus as well. My friend is sitting over there. There's just 5%, that's why he doesn't want to come at camera. Yes, you can listen to the song, how it is all are enjoying a lot. Just right now we took a break over here. It's been 2 hours sitting at bus. That's why that it is our bus where we are enjoying a lot during this journey. And finally, we have reached Bandrola Resort. As you can see behind me, it is a main court of it. When I was in bus, I was feeling very sleepy. Despite music being played, still it's feeling very sleepy. But now it's fine. Now you can have a look what all thing inside this resort and park. You can pause the video and understand it. It is my ticket of Bandrola, and my ticket is being checked, so that's why I'm waiting. At the starting time, I told in my video that if you come in this park, then costume is very important. If you haven't bring, so you can buy over here. To there are different kind of costume. You need to buy it, then you can go inside the water park, or you can enjoy, or else they will not allow to go. Like if you are coming to Bandrola, then do not carry too much stuff with you because it is a small locker and you need to pay for that 400 rupees. So just take a small, it is very small, and you need to pay 400 rupees. It is my locker number 62. It is a train ride. Have a look. There are different look at the view. Just right now we took at this ride. It was very crazy, yaar. You can see that I am very, like, all the water come on my head and I got wetted. But yeah, it's very enjoyable. Now heading to next ride. This view. If you are coming Bandrola, then take it this ride. It is a very crazy or amazing ride. See the view, how water will flash. See. Ah! You know, I did one mistake at this part. That's why I'm sitting over here. Like, I should not carry my phone. If you carry your phone, then it's very difficult because it's everywhere water. So wherever you go for enjoy, so water will come on your phone. It can damage your phone. That's why I'm sitting. Just I went to one plus thing. After that, I haven't been anywhere. Just I am looking around here. It's raining right now. I want to go in this pool because it's a very enjoyable moment. I don't want to miss. But I'm looking my friend where he is because I have to put my phone inside the locker, then I will go, else my phone will got damaged. Look at view, how beautiful it is. Come Wonderla yaar if you are in Bangalore and explore this place. You can see that I am fully wetted. Just I was swimming over here right now, but it's closed. Just right now I get off from this pool. You can have a look this pool. It will start again next web at 3 o'clock. So I am waiting of it. Look at this one, jungle friend. Sorry yaar, my problem is that I can't enter with the phone, because if I enter then it will be problem for me only. By the way, it's not like that you can't enter with phone, but it is not written anywhere. They will allow to use your phone inside pool or anywhere, or you can make a video, that's fine. But you should understand yourself that if you take your phone then it's a problem for you. Look at you. See, you will see one very crazy moment over here. Just wait a while, let them full of that tank, then that water will fall very hardly when you stand, and you will feel like a very hard water is coming on your head. Look at, just wait to come down that one, it will spread. Wait yaar, just I'm waiting here, let them come that water. It's about to full that tanki. Wow yaar, I enjoy a lot at this park, Wonderla resort. So beautiful. Come enjoy if you are in Bangalore. Wherever I go, I try to find good places. Like when I was in Hyderabad, I also visit lots of places. Bangalore, Gurgaon, Delhi. I have visited many places, and wherever I go, I try to find good places and try to make. See that view. And there is also one Rand disco. You can have a look, enjoy it, and time is written over here. Every time, look at the view inside it. Rand disco. This wave is again going to start. It will start 3 o'clock as I told you, and it's about it's about to start. It's 2:58, so it's about to start. Let's have a enjoy once again. Really, it's very crazy, yaar. Very crazy, and I am also enjoying a lot over here. You can see behind me. It's great moment. Sit yaar. I was thinking to go again, but it is written that ladies, kid and couple only. So I will not go this pool now. I have already been, so I'm going to this pool, this side. Means like one time, always they change. One time couples, ladies, and one time like gents only. So now my side is this one. Now let me move on. Let me dive into it. I was waiting to show this moment. See that wave. It is a very powerful wave. It is also written over here 2.20 meters. So you can understand how strong and how powerful this wave. Look at that. I'm also going to enjoy it. I do not want to waste. I do not want to waste this moment just like that, because it's I don't know if it started 3 o'clock, then again when will it start. So let me dive into it and enjoy my time. Now we are heading room. It's 6 o'clock, so we enjoy lots, and there were lots of things to make a video to show you, but somehow I could not make a vlog. If you watch my video so far, then please subscribe it. I need your support because it's a very small channel. Bye, see you in another video, and please do not forget to share my video. Bye.